What I did add today is a few links. This one, which goes to the main Stripe website, has been there. The next one, that was there as the test dashboard. Now I made it generic, so it's just the dashboard where you can switch live or test. Help and support, documentation, and managing your account. I got all those links basically from the very first confirmation email that I got from Stripe. These are the emails I have so far. So I got them all from this one. So my next move was to go up here and then to go to the documentation link. And by the way, I rearranged these so they're not in the same order as they were in the beginning of the video. Okay, so I went to documentation, getting started. It says below you'll find tutorials that will teach you how to use Stripe and reference documentation for all the moving parts. Okay, I guess this is the reference documentation. And these are the tutorials. One is for mobile, one is for a website. So now I'm gonna go right over here. Integrating checkout. Wow, let me go back and forth again. Learn more. Okay, so apparently I went from being here to here. Integrating checkout. This tutorial helps you accept your first payment with Stripe. If you need help, check out our answers to common questions at this link, or chat live with other developers in the #Stripe on Freenode. An easy way to integrate Stripe is via checkout, which will take care of building forms, validating input, and securing your customer's card data. Checkout is fairly high level, so remember that you can still use Stripe with your own forms via stripe.js if it doesn't fit your use case. Try clicking on the example below, filling in the form with one of Stripe's test card numbers, any 3-digit CVC code, and a valid expiration date. All right. I already tested this before and I didn't record it. I'm going to test it again. Okay, I noticed that it remembers all the information which I had entered before. And it says that I've already bought 2 widgets. I don't know. Anyways, and then there's a logout button. Okay. The first time I filled it out, I put in the card number, I put in the date, I picked any CSV or whatever it's called, and then I hit pay. When I did that, it complained that the date was wrong and it had a red square or rectangle around it. Okay? I ended up correcting the date and then hit pay again. Okay, I'll hit pay now. Okay, it says I'm done paying and it gets out of my way, and then it gives me a Stripe token. This token is significant for Stripe and for me as the customer. Okay, and it's going to get saved on my website, me who is the developer, not the customer. Okay, let's see what happens if I reload the page again and hit pay with card. It still says 2 widgets. Okay, so that's just part of the demo. Okay. Here's an overview of what you'll accomplish in this tutorial. 1. You will collect credit card information with checkout. 2. You will convert those details to what we call a single-use token. 3. You will send that token with the rest of your form to your server to create the actual charge. I'm really not sure what they mean by send that token with the rest of your form to your server. Now, what are they referring to when they say to your server? Are they talking about my account on Stripe, or are they talking about the actual web server's database? Okay, I guess I'll find that out.